Let's see how you can recover deleted drafts on Instagram using your iPhone or Android. First, you have to open up your Instagram app, then go to your profile, then hit the hamburger menu. Now choose your activity option from here. Then scroll down and select download your information. Next, go to download or transfer information. Now pick your Instagram account and press next. Now you will see two options. The first one lets you download all your Instagram data. It takes more time and space. The second option is quicker. It lets you download only the stuff you actually want. So let's go with the second one. From there, you can select the specific type of data you want, like comments, media, and many more options. So I want to recover deleted drafts or media, so I had just choose media. After that, hit next and select download to device. Then choose your data range, for example, just this week. You can also choose your email, preferred format, and media quality according to your preference. And once you have got everything set, go ahead and press create files. Instagram will then process your request and you will get a download link with the data that might include your deleted drafts depending on what was saved. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.